World famous chicken in the cooler coming at you guys with another super great recipe that I know you're going to love. Bacon burger dogs. This is one of my greatest, funnest, most enjoyable recipe that I have in one of my banks. You're going to love it. You take a hamburger and you take a hot dog and some bacon. Let's go. If you follow me, the world's juiciest burger is already in. All you got to do is comment, subscribe, and find that recipe. Matter of fact, I'm going to tag it in this video so you don't have to look for that juicy burger, baby. So the easiest way to do this is you take the mixture of the world's juiciest burger and you take a cheddar or any type of hot dog that you like and you just wrap it with hamburger meat. You wrap it any way you think. The colder the hamburger meat, the better. And like I said, I'm not going to go over the recipe again because I tagged the video in there. You can look it up. But it is easy. I've already got the grill fired up. Everything is going to work out perfectly. Hamburger meat, better cheddars, because I like the cheese inside my hamburger meat. And then you mix it. There's 3 type of ways you can roll it. And you'll see all 3 ways in this video. And then you just put it on the pit. Like I told you, I don't cook the time. And then once they come off, you have a great, whether you eat it without the bun, whether you eat it with a bun, hot dog bun, hamburger bun, white bread, bagel, it's all up to you. It's going to be shaped like a hot dog. So you need to get a bun because it's thick, flavorful, unbelievable. And when people come over, they're like, man, what's this? You be like, man, you remember when we were younger, one show that we used to watch all the time, we used to talk about bacon burger dogs. Well, here it is, the recipe for you. Bacon burger dogs. Unbelievable flavor. Just a cookout favorite when they come and they say, hey, man, what's this bacon burger dog? What? I've always wanted to have a bacon burger dog. Now it's your chance to make them in the comfort of your own home. You can put them in your air fryer. You can put them in the oven. But I prefer them on the grill. And I went old-fashioned grill, the little red top grill, probably about $25 in any store, H-E-B, Lowe's, Walmart, Target. Well, Target's probably going to be about $35, but because they bougie over there. Just playing Target. Just go out and get you some of these burgers, man. Just try it for yourself. 80% hamburger meat, 2 packs of Lipton onion soup mix, Worcestershire sauce, any type of hot dog you want, any type of cheddar. You put a sausage in there, whatever floats your boat. Whatever you put inside of your meat is what you're going to put on the grill to cook. And that's the best way I can explain it to you, man. Have a great time with this recipe. Have fun. All burger dogs are complete and prepared and ready for the pit. Now, like I told you, I'm using the old school Red Baron pit for $25. You can get this anywhere and it works just as good as an expensive pit. You see my Traeger right there. I just verified that my coals are ready and it is time to get this meat on. And now it's time for the bacon. Guys, I cooked my bacon in the oven. Look how easy that is. You don't get popped. You put the bacon in the oven at 420, and then you just let it ride, man. You ain't got to check it until it's done. When the alarm goes off at 420, showing that the oven is finished preheating, your bacon is almost done. And it's almost time to eat. Oh, boy. Look at there. Look at there. Look at that burger dog. I ain't gonna say bacon burger dog because the bacon ain't ready yet, but look at that burger dog and them other world's juiciest burgers. Hey, it's now complete. The bacon is complete. Look at that bacon burger dog. I got the bacon laying on top. I got the burger. I got that better cheddar sausage in the middle. Man, that is gonna be one great bacon burger dog, let me tell you. And then there's the rest of the burger dogs and those juicy. Look at all the juice on that burger. Just sitting there juicy. Man, I can't wait to eat. And the finished product